Hello everyone, I am John Berson Menorca and I'm truly honored to speak before you today. Imagine a meet and greet with our Philippine President. Exciting, isn't it? But beyond the excitement, let's think about the important issues we could bring to this attention. Today, I want to focus on that's particularly close to heart education. Our education system is the backbone of our nation's future. But facing some serious challenges, think about access, quality, and relevance. Many students are struggling with resources that feel outdated, learning in classrooms that are far too crowded, and sometimes we're all learning in schools just doesn't seem to match up with the skills we need for the jobs that out there today. If I had the chance to speak with the president, I wouldn't hold back and I asked, Mr. President, what specific concrete steps will your administration take to modernize our education system? How will you ensure that every single Filipino, no matter where they come from, has a real opportunity to succeed in this rapidly changing world? This isn't just about textbooks and classrooms. It's about so much more. It's about investing in our collective future, empowering our youth to reach their full potential and building stronger, more competitive Philippines for all of us. It's about making sure that the information that we receive is current and reliable, that the source we trust are credible, and that we as students are given every tool we need to analyze and understand the world around us. Let's all commit to working together, make education a top priority. Let's make sure that our voices are heard and that our leader understand the urgency of this issue. Thank you.